The cool thing about title insurance, you make one payment when you buy the house, and it protects you from then on.
This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
Where does the insurance really come into this? Like, when does this insurance really come into play? I know I'm paying this fee, but I don't ever see, a rebate check come or they didn't do anything besides cash my check. So what does that really look like?
Well, the insurance is at the beginning. That's what we're clearing. Right? That's where the insurance goes into play. It's not some certificate. It's not some oh, hey, here you go.
Right. Somebody makes a false claim in the future. Do you make them go away? What happens?
No. So what happens in a situation where there was a claim, and their claims are very low because it would have to be something that was recorded against the property we didn't see.
Right.
But we have access to all things, just so you know.
Right.
So if, in fact, something did get recorded after it closed, now this buyer's, panicking. This came up. The insurance pays for that claim.
Right.
So it could be $150,000. It could be whatever it is that comes up. That's what the insurance is.
Right.
Okay.
We file the claim, and then they'll pay. We will pay that. Our underwriter pays that.
Like they won't come to me and say, "Well, you should take the first stab at paying this."
You can't.
If you can't, I'll pay it.
No,
it's the insurance.
100%.
Is that right?
Yep.
Well,
okay.
The cool thing about title insurance, you make one payment when you buy the house, and it protects you.
And that's
from then on.
Potentially, yeah.
I mean, that somebody files a claim 2 years from now that should have been filed 3 years prior. That you're protected.
Right, if it applied to a time frame before you own the house.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, and that's a great question because a lot of people have no, title. It's just one of those things I got to pay.
It's just another fee. I don't know. I mean,
but now you know what it's for.
Deal, and our obligation during this process is to make sure nothing. And here's another side thought. We pull that as soon as it's open, but then we also pull it again right before it closes to make sure nothing has been recorded during those 30, 45 days it's been in escrow.
That's why they'll ask the questions of the sellers. Hey, have you done any work recently? They'll ask those questions of the sellers when they're doing the closing just to make sure nothing's coming down the pike later on because they're on the hook for it.
Well, maybe somebody finds out they're selling their house.
Yeah.
So they quickly go put a
they throw a lien on it
You
before.
gotta be, they may not know that, but we're going to be the ones that catch it.
That's a great question, a great conversation.